Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Callie Cat's over there laying on the bed amongst the stuff. Y'all, we got a sticker subscription today. Hashtag PipSticks. I love the stickers. I may have to put them on hold for a little while, but I really love this subscription. They have a few different ways you can get it. There's a kids pack and there's the pro pack. Which is more adult stickers. I mean, they're not adult, but they're grown up. You know, that doesn't make any sense. Each pack, the kids and the pro, have two different ways you can get it. The classic pack and the petite pack. The classic pack is $17.95 for 15 sheets, and the petite pack is $11.95 for 7 sheets. I think you can combine them and get both packs, but I'm not really sure. And they do these little booster packs at the beginning of this month, each month, that they offer you that normally are really good. They're about 50 bucks, so I haven't tried them, but oh, the stickers. I love the stickers. Let's just look at this. I do have an affiliate link down below, I believe. If y'all want to try it, just click the link below. Let's open this. Beep. Your Guide to the Sticker Resolution, September 2022. Gives you a little look into their design studio. Little polls that they do. Just a cute little activity book. Oh, October sneak peek. Oh, I may have to wait until after October to put this on pause. I think I want the October stickers. Oh my goodness. The Cuteness Halloween sticker countdown. Oh. Okay, hang on. All right, let's look at the stickers. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I get the Pro Club. I get like the 15 pages of stickers. But I use a lot of stickers. You know, I use them when I'm shipping out giveaways and things and collabs. So I feel like I get my use out of them. And what I need is something solid. I'll use this. Look at the stickers. Oh my goodness, at the mushrooms. Oh, and the moon. Look at the cuteness. Oh, oh my goodness, what is it called? Twilight Flight. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, look at these. This is called Mottled Moss. Mottled Moss. I can't say it right, but they are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. They give you a little washi tape in here. This is Bewitching Borders. Look at that. Are these not adorable? Broommates. They look like me. These are so cute. Look at that. Candles and daggers. Oh dear. I love the spooky season, y'all. Petite paw treats. These are adorable. Look at the little bitty kitties. Oh, the little bitty kitties. And the moons and the stars. Oh, that's adorable. All right. Solitary Slumber. Ooh, look at that. It's got a big coffin. Now, what am I going to do with a big coffin sticker? I don't know about that one. The feathers are cool. What are those? Keys. That's pretty cool. Good things are coming. Oh, I need to stick that one on my mirror. And this, by the way, is a vinyl sticker. And look, oh wait, it's not another. Your destiny awaits. These are so cute. Oh, these are tarot cards. Card reader. Witch's Brew coffee. Oh, look at the little coffee cups. Oh, look at the kitty one. Oh my goodness. Look at the skull. The Witch's Brew. Pumpkin everything. That is cute. Oh, here we go. Monster Movie Marathon. Yeah. Donna. Oh my goodness. Multifaceted. The pretty shiny crystals. These are adorable. Inner Space. Those are cute. Look at the witchy spell bottles. Got galaxies and planets in them. Very cute. Oh, she's adorable. Ghost Office. Look at the little boos. They go to the post. Oh my gracious. Those are adorable. Look at the little boo dog. Is that not cute? Ghost Office. That is so clever. And this is a Midnight Moon Alphabet. Y'all, these come in so handy when you want to make, a present and you want to spell out their name in letters. I have done that with several gifts and gotten compliments on it. Snail mail is magical. This is a postcard. They always give you a postcard in there too. Very cute. What did y'all think of September's? The theme was very October, I thought, but I love that because spooky time is coming and I'm going to need these stickers for all these fall collabs I have coming up. So it was brilliant for me. What do y'all think? I love the stickers. I'm such a sticker girl. I want to hear y'all's opinion. As always, please press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Thank you so very much. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free and I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.